Hey y'all, Mandy here with Organic Mixology for our Drink With Us segment, and I don't know about you, but I could use a vacation right about now. So today, I'm going to be making a drink I'm calling the Miami Timeshare. Okay, so first, take a fresh jalapeno, cut off the top of that. You're going to take a sharp knife and then make a slit down the middle. Open the jalapeno so the two sides are open, and then take a spoon and just peel out the veins and the seeds. We don't need that part for the drink. And once all of the seeds and the veins are off, we're gonna flip that and cut it into small pieces, about like 1/4 of an inch wide, cubes, rectangles, whatever. So once we have our jalapeno right here, we are gonna start our drink. So personally, I like a pretty medium spice level, so I usually use about 1/4 of the jalapeno. Feel free to use less or more, depending on your heat tolerance. So throwing that in. And then to that, I am going to add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Okay, and to get all of the flavors out of the jalapeno, we are gonna muddle. So take your muddler, press down, and make a little circle. We're not trying to emascerate the whole thing, just trying to get some of the juices out. There we go, should be good. Okay, next we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. We are going to use fresh grapefruit juice in this. I'm going to do 3/4 ounce, 0.75. Okay. And we are also using Ohm's coconut and lychee liqueur. I'm going to do 3/4 ounce of that as well, 0.75. Okay, and for the liquor on this, it's going to be a split base between Reposado Tequila and Plantation Pineapple Rum, which is my favorite rum out there. So we're going to do 3/4 ounce of Plantation Pineapple. There we go. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of our Reposado Tequila. Okay, everything is in. Let's add our ice. And give this a good shake. Okay, so this guy's going in a rocks glass. Grab our glass. Fill that up with fresh ice. Open this up and strain it straight into my rocks glass. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so garnish for this, we're gonna go with a simple little drink umbrella. Give you that tropical feel. Hopefully you feel like you're at least out of your apartment in your mind. So going in, there we go, and beautiful, Miami Timeshare. Enjoy, everyone. Please subscribe below, and to purchase Organic Mixology products, go to organicmixology.com. Thanks, everyone. Bye.